我们的距离遥不可及，对少年爱情还剩下回忆，疯狂的寻觅。
The origin of the captivating blue ocean waves caused by bioluminescent algae in California can be traced to the presence of a unique type of microorganism called dinoflagellates. These tiny algae emit a mesmerizing blue light when disturbed by the movement of waves or objects in the water. This natural phenomenon, known as bioluminescence, has fascinated people and has become a sought-after spectacle for beachgoers and photographers. The vibrant blue glow created by these waves creates an ethereal and magical atmosphere, leaving viewers in awe of nature's beauty. The interest in this phenomenon has led to nighttime tours and dedicated quests to witness and capture the enchanting blue ocean waves caused by bioluminescent algae in California's coastal areas.
Fluorescent sea, also known as blue tears, formed by light from a single-celled organism called mass lager. Fluorescent sea, beautiful and dreamy.
In this moment, I swear, we are infinite.
Waters safe to swim in? The blue lights seen here are caused by Noctiluca scintillans, a bioluminescent organism also known as sea sparkles or blue tears that glow when disturbed. This footage shows a bloom on the coast of Pingtung County in China's Fujian province on March 25, 2022. But is the hypnotizing water safe to be in? You might want to exercise some caution before you dive in. Optical oceanographer Chuanmi Hu told Live Science in a 2019 article that the blue tears can be poisonous to marine life and could even make you sick. That's because, according to Hu, although the single-celled organism isn't itself poisonous, it feeds on toxic algae and releases chemicals such as ammonia that can be dangerous if ingested. In 2019, researchers found that the organisms can live in warmer waters than previously thought. They hypothesized that agriculture
plankton.
Pati, yung lampu ni plankton. Plankton. Hi plankton. Wow.
Where is this internet-famous beach located?
This is called fluorescent beach, and it is located in Dalian, China. This phenomenon, named blue tears, is caused by bioluminescence in the water, which usually results from the algae bloom of plankton. You are most likely to see them between the months of April and May, and on nights where the light of the moon is the